Hi guys, I've got great news for you. If you're 35 years or below, you've already got a bachelor's degree and you wish to apply for a master's degree, and you are also a citizen of a sub-African country, then this message or this program is for you. Have you heard of the British Columbia Mastercard program? Is a scholarship program in British Columbia, Canada. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can go ahead and apply for this. Like I said, this one is a juicy offer and it's only for sub-Saharan African countries only. So guys, join me as we look at the steps, the selection process, the eligibility criteria and the rest, and how you can apply for this Mastercard program at the British Columbia University, Canada. Come on guys, let's go straight into it. You go and type University of British Columbia Mastercard Scholarship. If you click on it, if you type it on your browser, UBC Mastercard options will pop up. I'll just click on the first one. Okay, sorry guys, I'm using my phone. My laptop refused to record. I don't know why, so I don't really have much time. So this is the university website. As you can see, this is the University of British Columbia Vancouver campus Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at UBC. Now guys, apply now. Let's scroll down. Okay, so guys, this is their website. So you can see, greetings, thank you for your interest in the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at the University of British Columbia. We are currently welcoming application for the fall 2025 intake. So guys, scholarship eligibility. So let's look at the eligibility criteria for this scholarship. To be eligible for consideration for the Master Foundation Scholars Master's Degree Program at UBC, there are 5 things that must be considered. The first one is you must have completed a bachelor's degree. So you must have a first degree. Okay. Another one is you must not already have a master's degree. You are not a master's degree holder. Another one is you must be 35 years of age or younger as of the time of this application. So that is you must be born in 1989 or after it. You must be a citizen or a refugee of a sub-Saharan African country listed here. Number 5, you may be applying for a master's degree in one of the eligible program listed below. So guys, you have to check whether your country, the sub-Saharan African country that are listed in their list, your country is among. Remember, it's just for sub-Saharan African country, this particular program. And again, there are programs. It's not all programs that are doing. There are some programs that is available for this scholarship. First of all, let's check those sub-Saharan African countries listed here. Okay, I'm going to use my country as an example. I'm a Nigerian. So sub-Saharan African countries, there are 50 countries here. Okay, 50 countries. So Angola number 1, and ending with Zimbabwe at number 50. Nigeria is at number 36. So my country is there. Ghana is there. Kenya is there. Congo, Cote d'Ivoire, Republic of Congo, Equatorial Guinea, United Republic of Tanzania, South Africa, Seychelles, Senegal, Rwanda, Niger, Botswana. So just check through if your country is eligible before you apply. So let's go back. Let's see the programs that are available. Okay. Decide your program of interest. The scholarship is for the following programs only, not more. There are 3 faculties that are available for this master program: Faculty of Land and Food System, Faculty of Forestry, and Faculty of Science. Now guys, let's look at Faculty of Food and Resources. Under Faculty of Land and Food System, they have Masters for Food and Resource Economics. They have Master of Food Science. There is Master of Land and Water System. This is under the Faculty of Land and Food System. Then Under the Faculty of Forestry, we have Master of Sustainable Forest Management, MSFM. On it again, we have Master of International Forestry. We have Master of Geomatics for Environmental Management. Then under this same Faculty of Forestry, we have Masters of Science / Master of Applied Science in Forestry. This particular one, thesis is thesis based. Then the last one, the last faculty here is Faculty of Science, and under it there is only one program available, is Master of Data Science. Okay guys, so Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program only covers the expenses of the admitted scholars. So the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship, they only cover the expense for the people that are selected for this program. Now let's continue guys. They also said that funds from this Mastercard Foundation Scholar Program cannot be applied to pursue programs at other academic institutions. So if you are granted this scholarship, you must do the master's program in this particular university, which is the University of British Columbia, not any other place. The selection process. So guys, just read through the selection process, and then let's see how we can apply for this. Again guys, there is minimum academic requirements for every country. Depending on your country, there is minimum academic requirements. So you click on this link then to check the minimum academic requirements for each country. Like Nigeria, people that have higher diploma, let me just show you guys, they can't apply for this program. These are the countries and the academic requirements for each country. Like I said, it varies from country to country. So like always, I'm going to use Nigeria, my country, as a case study. So I'll click on Nigeria to see if there is any the academic requirements. So guys, look at it. Notes on eligibility for Nigeria. The higher national diploma is not suitable as a basis of admission for a master's degree at University of British Columbia. So higher national diploma are people that, I think, polytechnics. I don't know what it's called in other countries. So people from Nigeria understand it. So people that have higher national diploma like polytechnic, I think they are not eligible to apply for this. So let's go back and see how you can apply. So before you apply, go to this link where they wrote minimum academic requirements for each country. Click on it, check your country and see the academic qualification before you apply, or requirements. So to apply, guys, another thing, the application is open till the application will be closing on the 31st of October 2024. So it's open till 31st of October. So share it out to people that might need it. Now let's click on apply. So guys, just read through this. This part is talking about the master's program, what is all about, Mastercard program, what is all about. You click on the next page, then this is the form, how you can apply. Scholarship eligibility, select all that applies to you. Are you 35 years of age? Do you have a degree? Do you have a bachelor's degree? Are you from sub-Saharan African country? Just tick or click on any one that applies to you. Keep scrolling. Okay, you certify. Then this is where you write your name, middle name, last name, your gender, your date of birth, your address, you fill in your detail, your address, your phone number. Okay, and this is basically how it's done, guys. And this is just it. This is, do you have any physical impairments? Just click on it and just click the ones that are applicable to you. Before you click on the next, you must have filled this first part before you go to the next, and the rest is, guys, you can do it by yourself. So I'll just say just go through it, and good luck to every one of you. Please do help us to share this video to everyone that some people might need it. Okay, just help us to share it out. Thank you guys.